All right, so I'm back. Okay, so um, I was looking for levels for ES. I couldn't really make much sense of any of the levels. Like I said, I wanted to see a rejection up here. I didn't really have any strong buying levels. I'm gonna go back to the 30-minute chart and really look at where buyings were strong. So this one was strong. So I'm gonna mark this one. Buying was really strong here. What time is that? That was 11:30 going to 12. Let's do that. We're gonna see what price looked like inside of that area. We had another buying over here at 13, and then kind of like dissipated, but this is very low. But let's see what that looked like over here. Um, some levels I want to mark. $29, $29. They're about the same. So mark that. I'm gonna bring this down lower here, since that one encompasses the higher volume one, because it kind of like matches there. I'm gonna bring this down lower. I'm gonna keep this here like that. There's no buying there, so this is gonna be my true area of interest, and then this is gonna be my backup area of interest, because that's where the that's about where the buying came in here, right? And then let's mark it as Heikin-Ashi, because I don't have anything down there. What am I writing? There you go. Alright, that was weird. Not cute like that, that's fine. Alright, so let's go to NQ. I don't have anything here. Yeah, let's go to NQ. So NQ really moved. Let's go to the daily, but not enough. So NQ moved about how much of this price action? Let's go into a clear area, empty space. Back to 50%. Let's go to ES. See how it moved along that. Okay, clicked on that by mistake. Need an empty space. Backups are always fine. And also at the 50% of that price action. And ES never came down to the 50% of its year except for once, which is back in August. NQ revisited in September, but ES stayed strong. So, and lo and behold, this is where I want to see price hold. We actually held this son of a gun. We held it. This is where I said price should hold this, even though the candle's like way down here. I said price should hold this level here. We actually freaking hold it. We held it. Wow. Son of a gun. Oh yeah, yeah. I had to get this off. I could have really leaned on this area here, but it is what it is. All right. So now I know that where price actually really was doing this thing was right around this area. So okay, so what's I doing? NQ. So let's look for some levels on NQ. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. And let's get to deleting everything. just about. But yeah, I do need to mark news, even though it's minor. I need to mark news because news have always been a relevant thing that causes price to stir. So let me go back to ES, and let me not ignore the fact that we had news. Let's go to the 5-minute. And though it was minor, maybe not as minor as I thought. It wasn't as big as yesterday. I feel like this price action happened late though. So price should hold these areas here. Okay. Low 556,275. Same thing. All right, so let's go here, and we'll do the same thing. This one looks like NQ has been holding the highs here. Let's zoom out, and then let's look for where selling occurs. Strong selling here, strong selling there. To look into this candle. Like in this area right here, actually. Look into that. Okay. Buying wise, can't really do much with those. Buying really started way down there. Go into, that's fine. Nice engulfing candle. Push up. Alright. So buying, selling. I like that selling. And it's a 3 o'clock candle, which is good. It's not a green candle, but that's fine. That means that we're showing signs of respect up there. Selling right here. How far up does this go? Pretty far up. Alright, let's go backwards first. I don't see that thing I marked. Did I mark it on ES? It's right here. Okay, so it's on this thing here. Alright, it's just, what the heck? That was weird. Alright. Couldn't find it at all. selling here, got above it, selling here, selling there. Yeah, that's the better one. Down. Yeah, alright. So respect. Okay. Here we got selling. Nineteen two four six 25. Bet. Alright, so I don't have anything here to really catch any of this price action going down. So if we drop, we just drop. Do want to make this as tight as this. That. So I'm fine with that. This can go. Okay, let's go back to the 30. We do have strong selling here. I would like to see price really drop. It'd be better if it was a green candle with red volume. So yeah, I don't really have any clear idea what's happening here. All right, let's go to VIX. I think I'm done with NQ. It's a big range. Let's go to VIX. That's ES. Let's go to VIX. And that's pretty much it for VIX. We're holding this consolidation area here. pretty much it. All right, so done with that. Going to got news. Not on this one. This might be something of interest. Did we clearly break out of that area? Not really. We chopped around it. This was a clean break, but we reversed right through it. Alright, I don't have anything. Really where I'm at. We are far from a place called home. Done with news. Got that 1 o'clock one. Okay, for today I gotta make sure that I take deep breath. I don't go into shallow breath. That's where my brain goes into autopilot when I'm in shallow breath. To make sure that I keep oxygen flowing, so that way my brain stays at its prime, its optimal think capabilities. Um, mhm. Okay. All right. So as far as anything goes, I'm done. I want to see what anybody else is sharing about the charts, but we hit a supply zone. We've been kind of like holding it there. We did see some form of selling up there so far, but not sure how long we'll hold it. I'm still looking for my candle setup and structures, but in a sense, I'm pretty much done with marking up my charts from my own perspective. Let's see if it has anything different. Is this new? Nope. Nope. Okay. Interesting. Oh, so I should look at that. Let's see here. Is this match with anything I'm looking at? Well, yeah, we did kind of cleanly break out of it. Let's check the 1 minute first, the 5 minute. Not really. I'm not gonna concern myself with this for too much. I will just follow where the charts go. Okay, let's check one more. Hmm. Okay, 5549. It's like it's this right here. Why here? It's the end of the day close. Yeah, I don't mind marking this one. Let's see where buying starts. Because I should have marked that because we did have buying there. I thought about it, but then I just didn't. So let's buying start. Yep, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna lower this. I'm gonna bring this down lower. Right down to like here. That seems good. Okay, not being too greedy. Um, this here is very major. Let's see here. All right. So most of the levels looks exactly like Vine. I Yep, look pretty much closely identical. Just I didn't have this here, so let's add it from NQ's perspective as well. Hmm? Could have did this. So from NQ's perspective as well, let's add that by. Okay. Oops, did it change the color? Alright, so working on staying sharp and not letting stuff like that get me. Cool. Alright, so that's our levels. Those are our levels. Let's look at what. Sure, why not? Let's see. These have not been playing. This worked pretty well here. Nice bounce. But other than that, have not been really following suit. Not even going to stress myself out with these. Closing it out. Done with settlement. So that's it for me. This did take a little longer. because, well, I don't have any levels at all whatsoever from the beginning. We do have a little bit of levels now, so gonna work with those. Keeping my eyes on the 30-minute of ES and NQ, and as well as um, VIX. My levels are what you see here. Nothing too special, but that's what I'm going to be working with. That's it for today, or for this morning. Be back in the evening for any possible recap. Well, it's going to be a recap nonetheless, but just to see how price reacted to any of these levels, especially the news. I think will be an important one since we don't have any other true levels around here. So that's it for me for today or for this morning.